Hello everyone, this is Seth from BlenderSensei.com. It's been a minute. Good to see all of you out there. Anyway, this is just a quick video. I don't have a whole lot to announce right at this moment, but I have created some Blender 2.8 icons. And as you can see here, they're just three sort of nothing very fancy alterations of the default Blender logo. And the reason why I did this was that because we're still in the Blender beta phase, I've got to work between the last stable release, Blender 2.79, and Blender 2.8. And I thought, well, hey, there's probably other people out there in that same boat. So wouldn't it be nice if I had a simple icon for Blender 2.8 just to quickly differentiate between the two? And I thought I would share that with everyone. This is especially useful for me because I don't really keep a lot of stuff on my desktop. In fact, I've only got this stuff here as a demonstration. I typically keep all the programs I use on my taskbar, which, don't have little headers and stuff. But anyway, I'm on Windows 7 right now, but it won't be too different regardless of what operating system you're on. What I can do is right-click on here and under Properties, change icon, browse, and here I have my icons here. You might have to actually navigate to this, and I could switch to this one, press OK, apply, OK. And so now I've got a nice little change of a shortcut icon for my Blender 2.8. So, this is nothing huge or anything. I just thought it might be nice to share with everyone. And so what I typically do is pin this to my taskbar. So now I've got a really easy way to pick between the two versions of Blender that I am navigating between. So you can download these icons for free. Just head over to BlenderSensei.com here and click on this article here about the free Blender 2.8 icons. And just click here to download them. Now, downloading will require an account, so you'll need to be logged in. So if you don't already have an account, just click on sign up here, create an account. And signing up takes all of about 15 seconds or so. Well, that's about all I've got for you right now. I hope you enjoy these 2.8 icons, and I hope to show you a lot more of what's in the works over at BlenderSensei.com soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.